Hi, I'm Gavin. I'm one of the English teachers here at the Academy, and I wanted to talk to you briefly about what's coming up. Oh, come on, talk! Sorry.
I'm a French teacher here.
Nuclear fit.
Can't be translated.
Languages in the world.
What students will receive. Let's go from there again. What students will receive.
Yeah.
So we'll be covering this in the free. I shouldn't have said, so I'll just repeat it.
Just giving you a quick rundown of what you can expect this year in our 5th year. Back to school courses.
Oh, French is actually speaked. So French is the official language of.
And how does it work? Each student, A, B, C, D.
I'm going to be doing an awful lot of. Why do I keep saying awful? Like what's wrong with me? I'm going to be doing an awful lot. I'm actually up. Sorry, I don't know why I said actually. Start that again.
In terms of the.
What's your favourite thing about chemistry?
Okay guys, so over on page number 15, wait, can we delete that bit?
So, what students will receive.
I chose that topic because.
So, what students.
I teach the class like this, yeah. That was a good clap, sorry.
Hey you. Pay attention.
Plants. Well,
Irish is this huge language of okay, I can't say that word, but you added that out.
Sorry, should put that. Oh, stop. What am I doing? What am I talking about?
What was this? Filming will still be going on.
See you soon.